Halo teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di channel YouTube saya. Ini aku Pisa Sarli dengan channel YouTube bernama PX Sarli. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for it to be updated for my future videos. Jadi untuk reaksi video hari ini, aku akan bereaksi terhadap video ini dengan judul Lugaw sa McDo, kakaibang McDonald's sa Indonesia, The True Show. So we already know if it's The True Show, it should be food. So right now, let's watch this video. He is reviewing McDonald's in Indonesia, if there are different specialties in Indonesia that is like in McDonald's or served in McDonald's. So I don't really know if some of the foods are still available since this was posted 2 years ago. But let's just see, okay? So without further ado, let's get right into the reaction video. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Buti mo, Paps, ngayong araw na dito sa McDonald's, Jakarta, Indonesia.
McDonald's.
Lugaw sa McDo. Dito ko lang makita
Oh,
yan.
wow.
Nakain tayo ng iba't ibang pagkain sa McDonald's, hindi natin mahanap sa Pilipinas. Tasty with real lychee. Kaya natin. Tsura!
Let's go.
So, Pops, we just have arrived dito sa McDonald's, Jakarta, Indonesia, pare. It's my goal na pag pumunta sa iba't ibang bansa, matikman yung version ng McDonald's nila. Kasi, iba, nag-McDonald's tayo sa KL, nag-McDonald's tayo sa Thailand, at ngayon naman, it's time for Jakarta. Tsura! Tarik. So,
Every foods have
breakfast
different,
ngayon. So,
like, specialty
mostly,
in a
breakfast yung
restaurant
menu. Anyways,
or
gusto
fast
kong
food.
maghanap ng kakaiba. Ito, local breakfast.
Local, oh.
Nasi udong McDo ayang suwir. Oh, bakit hindi? Sige, ito. McDo chicken porridge. May lugaw sa McDo. Wow, sausage wrap. Breakfast wrap.
Yo,
Oh,
we don't have this.
sausage wrap. Oh, look at this. Ang
Sausage
daming bata.
wrap and then porridge.
Tikman tong spicy. Fruity lemon, Milo. Ooh, ice lychee tea.
Ice
Why
lychee.
not? Korean garlic chicken. Sige, tapos fruity black currant.
Sunday. Oh, McFlurry. It's McFlurry.
Ayan ka. Okay, hanap tayo ng pwesto sa taas.
Yo, it's just like Philippines vibes. Not gonna
Tayo ng
lie.
ganda lighting. Have this like fruit ice cream. Ito parang chicken, egg na may sambal na may fried
Ayan.
onions or garlic ba yan? Meron tayo ditong lugaw. Ponji.
Porridge.
Lychee iced tea.
Yo.
We have this Milo. Spicy chicken.
There's no rice? Oh, yeah,
Korean
there's rice.
wings.
Forgot.
Wrapper. Like sausage wrapper.
Wow.
Next. Pops, let's go
I
down
want to try the
to
sausage
our
wrapper.
business
It
dito
looks
sa
good.
McDonald's, Jakarta. Let's go. Sisimulan ko sa kanila.
Chicken.
Spicy fried chicken. Anyways, looks like a regular fried chicken sa Pinas. Cheers.
Yo, don't be fooled. It's much spicy.
Pansin ko lang, mas spicy lang
Yeah.
kaysa sa spicy chicken McDonald's sa Pinas. Iti-take literally talaga ang hang. Kailangan mapaso yung dila mo. Anyways, it's crunchy.
If it's Indonesia level 1,
Medyo
in
malamig
Philippines
na.
already level 5.
Flavor wise, katulad lang sa Pinas. Next, meron tayo ditong like sausage wrap na may cheese na may scrambled egg.
Wow.
Wow.
Yo.
I love the sausage. Kasi medyo bouncy na pa-pepper pero sobrang malasa. Parang sa Pinas yung McMuffin nila. You have the creamy cheese and sausage and the soft tortilla sa labas. Masarap
Yo,
pa.
ako ingin makanin. I want to try that.
Sama
Makanin
kita
ko ba?
na may Milo sa fast food sa Malaysia sa Indonesia lang yan. Anyways, punta tayo sa kanilang lugaw. Lugaw sa McDo.
Wow.
Dito ko lang makita yan. So may nakita ko parang merong chicken strips.
Does it still exist?
May onion chives, tapos may
No.
wonton.
Or maybe.
Ang dikit, grabe, sobrang sticky. Parang nagbobo na yung congee natin. Sobrang sticky. Mabawang sa atin yung the crunchiness ng wonton wrapper, yung onion chives, and then yung strips ng chicken. In fairness naman, malasa.
Delicious.
Next natin nasi udong ayam. So, parang fried chicken naman to. And then, may sambal. May sambal siya.
Yo. Is it still spicy?
Sambal niya sarap. Matamis, maasim, manghang. And basically, doon yung fried chicken strips na hinimay. Oh nice, this is a one flavorful breakfast. How cool is this? Lychee, drink iced tea with grilled lychee. Ang refreshing. Sana may ganito sa Pilipinas. Ang sarap. It's not overly sweet. You have the freshness of the cold brew iced tea. And then, yung hint ng lychee, ang lakas, ang sarap. I mean, lasang-lasa mo talaga.
Lychee, yeah.
Korean spicy, Korean soy garlic.
If I go to Jakarta, I will try McDonald's for sure, and then local
So, new
food.
flavor palette sa McDo. Soy sauce lasa mo, yung garlic lasa mo. Ito juicy in fairness. Then malutong-lutong sa labas. Last dessert natin, meron tayo dito, like the fruity ice cream na may fruity pebbles ata. Yung cereal na yun. Look at that. So, may cereal siya. Yung parang siyang strawberry.
I love McFlurry.
Baliktad. Strawberry base siya na may lutong ng cereal natin, yung fruity cereal. Sarap! Tanongin mo ano favorite ko,
Lychee.
top 3. Itong nasi ayam
Udok.
Undok ba to? Udok. Itong wrapper natin, tapos itong lychee iced tea, the best.
Wow. I want to try that.
At ends our Jakarta McDonald's food trip, pare. Sabi ko lang, pare, masarap. I mean, meron din silang mga lokal na pagkain na sinaserve dito sa McDo. In terms of price, parang Pilipinas lang din. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Pops, ako si Pops Chewy. Dito sa Jakarta. Nagsabi, stay safe. Sige na, and goodbye. Bing!
Whoa. Okay. So that's really interesting. Like, you have local food served and like a fast food like McDo. Because here in the Philippines, I don't think there's Filipino served in McDonald's, like local Filipino foods. No adobo, no sinigang served, or what else they can incorporate for the fast food. But in Indonesia, you have nasi goreng, uduk. Yo, that looks good. And then the sausage wrapper. I really want to try that. And then the lychee one. Lychee is my favorite. And then blue lemonade. Yeah, I like both. But lychee is top tier. And then, yeah, I already promised myself if I go to Indonesia, I will buy McDonald's, like local foods. Hopefully it's still present and available. And then try street foods and then local foods. So, you better watch that out soon. Then, yeah, this is all for today's action video. I hope you like it. And I will see you in my next action video. Terima kasih banyak.